Sorry. Sino kaya yun? Ala, sino ang kinik out ni Botbot? Cindy! Come back, my friend. Come back. My friend, I'm sorry. Because I was washing the clothes. That's why. Aww. Hold on. 5 minutes. Huh? Cindy, my friend. Sorry, I was busy taking out the clothes out. My friend, where are you? Come back and I'll put you on moderator. So busy. But is really naughty. Hello, Sir Anime. But ko naughty. Nakikick out. Pag madami ka na kasing message, tapos wala pang jacket, nagagalit si Bot. No, don't kick her out. That's my friend. It's my friend Cindy. Cindy, can you come back? And I'll put you on. 600 seconds. Bot naughty. Naughty bot is naughty. I just called to say I love you. I just called. Sir Anime. Nag-live ka kagabi, Sir Anime? Nag-i-enjoy ako nitong ano nila ni yung Junjo tsaka ni Intoy. Tawa ko ng tawa doon. Tawa ko dyan sa dalawang yan. Ang galing. Ang galing mag-reaction. Ay, nakapang dalawang yan. Palaban ang dalawang Bisaya. Cindy, are you still there? Bot is kicking you out. This is hard. Bot is naughty. She was my friend. Kasi I was trying to get all the clothes hanging and I need to tidy it up. Long time no see kasi my friend. Si Koy Cindy. Koy, you come visit me to the Philippines, okay? Next year. You said that next year. Let's go to the beach. Let's go to the beach. Bot. I'll take out the bot lagi. La 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 la. La la la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Tanggalin ko na nga tong ano na to. Ay. It's time. Wawa naman ako, my friend, oy. Kanta tayo. My hair is curly thick hair.